Hi, let me quickly show you how to install BeeGraphy Sandbox to be able to develop your own plugins. So firstly, you need to open this link. So it's beegraphy.com/bgpm. BGPM stands for BeeGraphy Plugin Manager. Okay, you'll see this page and then click on this link. And this is the article on how to create a plugins. Okay, so actually we have very simple guide here, but let me quickly go over this with you. So firstly, you need to make sure that you have installed the latest Node.js on the website, and the link is provided. You will get links for your system, and it's very simple installation, so it's already on my system. After that, open the terminal of your choice. In my case, it's the integrated terminal in VS Code, which is free, as you know, or you may use whatever program you might like. Okay, so I'm going to the folder where I want to put my project, Sandbox. And I just need to copy and paste this command. Copy and paste and run it. So it will download and install all the necessary files. Okay, before that we need to give a name for the project. So if you just click the enter, it will leave the default BeeGraphy Sandbox, which I will go and leave it that way. If you want the custom one, obviously write your own path, and let's click enter. Okay, let's give some time to install this. So after the installation is finished, you can go ahead in your code editor and open the project folder. Here we have this open and terminal as well, right? So to be able to run, we just need to copy this command and run it inside our project folder in the terminal. Okay. So here we need to log in using our BeeGraphy credentials. Let me quickly do that. Okay, so after we logged in using our BeeGraphy account credentials, we will have this window opened. And here we can see the BeeGraphy Editor interface, but one additional plugin here called example. So here the sandbox includes that example package for you. So you will have the approximate knowledge of how to develop the plugin with a simple structure, right? So here in your BeeGraphy Sandbox folder, if you go to packages, you will find this Node Editor package example folder, in which there is a package JSON. You can see in the README. So there is an explanation what you can do with the settings, but basically is the name of your package, the version. Later, if you will have some changes, you need to incrementally increase the number of your version, type of license, and different settings, like you can change the icon for your plugin, and yeah, different other settings. So after you set this, obviously you can play around with different settings. You have the nodes itself, and here again you have that example structure, which we can see here includes the package, one group with just one node. So this is the example group and one simple node. So this is the structure, right? You have the name of the node. You have the group name, which you can change, and here is the input ports and output ports. And basically that's it. That's the simple example on how the BeeGraphy is actually structured, which will allow you to develop your own plugins. Obviously, you can just copy this node editor folder, rename it to leave the example folder for later references, and start play around with your plugins.